You get a haircut?
No, we just been holding it lately. We bought his own.
Puppy? Hi, puppy. Want to come pet the puppy? You want to come pet her?
Why don't you pet her?
Come here and pet her. Say,
I don't like being in control here. Say,
Gentle. Gentle, James. Yeah. Gotta be gentle. Gentle. Good job.
that's right. She's a woof woof.
oh, it's a good puppy. You want to pet the puppy? Want to pet her? Is that funny?
Hi.
Hi? Are you saying hi?
You're doing a FaceTime instead, like I'm opening it. Whoa.
What do you think, buddy?
Do you like the puppy?
Nice.
Zora?